this evening. It's an absolute pleasure. Flipkart, you have to lose your voices while you make some noise for them, please.
Hello, Bangalore! You know, it gives me immense joy and pleasure to be here today because this is where I am from. How many of you all know I'm from Bangalore? Yes, you know Kannada ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Superb and ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ I think ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮಿಂದ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ and you were stuck in traffic also. I'm so sorry guys. But ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. I think Hyderabad ಇಂದ I just flew in right now and Bangalore ಬಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಏನೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Bangalore energy is just something else and ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು I think ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ so powerful. It will take people to wherever they want to. Like, thank you so much for being here, for being there with me, for showing so much love. I love you.